Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Let's break down the market structure for tomorrow and what can happen in the tomorrow market session. So market structure is still under pressure and Bank Nifty is weaker compared to Nifty. Okay, we have seen that Bank Nifty fallen on Friday very heavily as compared to Nifty, and mid caps was also breaking supports, and global markets are very volatile due to geopolitical tension. So the key question for the upcoming session is, guys, is this a temporary bounce or is another breakdown coming? Okay, so this analysis will explain you the important levels and scenarios using technical analysis. So let's break down the analysis for the tomorrow trading session. Okay, so we can see, guys, the US markets are recently saw 200 to 300 points selling pressure, and our gift Nifty is very volatile right now, at one point showing plus 250 points, later reducing to plus 50 points. So this type of movement indicates uncertainty in the global sentiment. Okay, so important interpretation is, guys, any sharp rise could face selling pressure if broader sentiment stays weak. Okay, so Bank Nifty trend analysis. If we take the Bank Nifty trend analysis, then we can see here that Bank Nifty is currently showing a strong negative trend. Okay, we can see here that Bank Nifty is continuously falling through this trend line, and if any bounce will come, then this will again try to touch this level and again try to fall again. So this trend line is very bearish right now, and if market will go up and it will touch this level 54,500, then it can reverse from again from there and it can fall again. Okay, so this will be the Bank Nifty trend analysis. So this pattern often indicates rejection near higher levels. So key levels to watch is, guys, 54,200, and support will be around 53,600. Okay, so in Bank Nifty, our immediate resistance level will be near the 54,200 level. Okay, this will be our immediate resistance level because market has taken resistance from this level and it took support around this level. So our support level will be 53,600. Okay, so we can mark it. So in Bank Nifty, 54,200 is immediate resistance level, and 53,600 is the support level. Okay, so if market will come near 54,200 and it will open gap up above this level, then you can try to buy call option. And if the market goes around 53,600 and try to reverse from there, okay, try to reverse from there with green candles, then you can try to buy call option. And if market breaks down below 53,500 with gap down opening, then you can try to buy put options again, because then market will continue to fall again with a heavy pressure. Okay, because 53,500 is psychological level, and if this level will break, then market can continue to fall more further down. Okay, so this will be the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow trading session. Next, guys, if we talk about the Nifty analysis, we can see here, guys, Nifty is also falling after gap down opening. Okay, yesterday it was at on the Thursday trading session, it was around the 23,620 level here, and next day on Friday it opened around 23,470 level. So it broken below the 23,500 level, which was very crucial level for the market, but market broken that level with gap down opening. Okay, so this will be the crucial resistance for the Nifty, 23,500, and support will be around 23,000. Okay, 23,000 will be the support for Nifty for now, because this is the nearby psychological resistance level, support level here, and this zone will act as a support level until it breaks down with a gap down opening. Okay, so keep an eye on 23,000 level, because market is falling heavily due to geopolitical tension, and right now it closed around 23,170 levels. So there is still some scope here, and if market opens negative a little bit and try to come near this zone and try to reverse from there, then you can put a small stop loss, and if the trend changes, you can try to buy call options here at this 23,000 level if market opens flat. Okay, if market opens flat and it comes down to this level, if market opens gap down below 23,000, then it will fall further at 22,800, 22,700, and so on. So keep an eye on this very important level for next trading session. And if we go upside, then 23,300 will be the immediate resistance zone. Okay, this will be the immediate resistance zone. Above this, we can buy call options in the breakout opening. If the market opens positive about 23,300, we can try to buy, and it will go 23,400, 23,450, and so on. So keep an eye on this level also for the next trading session. Next, guys, we will talk about some stocks we have selected which can show breakdown in the intraday in tomorrow trading sessions. So first stock is, guys, HDFC Bank. We can see here this stock opened gap down here. In the previous trading session of Thursday, it was around 830 level, but it opened near 820 level, and then it remained sideways whole day. So 814 level will be the breakdown level for this stock. If this stock breakdowns below 814, then you can try to take sell position in this stock, and it will go 810, 805, and so on. Next stock is, guys, ICI Bank. ICI Bank also opened gap down. It was around 1263 here, and it opened around 1254. Now it closed around 1255. So if this stock goes below 1250 level, then it can show big breakdown here, and it can fall again below this level. So 1250 will be the breakdown level for ICI Bank. Next is, guys, our State Bank of India, SBI, and it is around 1046 level here. It is closed around. It does didn't open the gap down here, but after that it fallen very sharply here, and currently it is around 1046 level here. So if this stock will break down below 1045, okay, 1045 will be the crucial level for this stock. If this stock will break down below 1045, then we can see more fall in this stock in the next trading session. If market will open negative in the morning, then these banking stocks will give breakdown. Okay. Next is, guys, Kotak Bank. For the Kotak Bank, our support zone is around, this stock is around 367 level, and our support zone is around 360 level. Okay. So 360 is the crucial support for this stock, and if this stock will try to go down below this level 365, then it will try to touch this 360 level. So 365 will be breakdown for this stock. If this stock will break down below 365 level, then it will try to go 363, 360 level, and so on, and this will be the crucial support for this stock. Next stock is, guys, Bajaj Finance. It is around 856 level right now, and if this stock will break down, this stock is currently closed around 856 level, and if this stock will break down below 850 level, then we can see fall in this stock. Okay, so 850 will be the crucial level for this stock for the breakdown if the market will open negative. And next is, guys, Axis Bank. We can see that Axis Bank is falling heavily. On the Friday market, it opened around 1230 level, and it is fallen straight, and then it closed around 1199 level. Okay, so if this stock will break down below 1194, okay, 1194 will be the breakdown level for this stock, Axis Bank. Next is, guys, Reliance. Reliance also opened sideways here. You can see here it was sideways, then it fallen, and it closed around 1382. So if this stock will try to go above 1400, okay, so 1400 will be the breakout level for this stock. If this stock will go above 1400, then we can buy this stock in the intraday or short term, and it will try to go 1500, 1600 in the long term. Okay, so keep an eye on this stock 1400 level, and so on. Next is, guys, if you see the India VIX, we can see the India VIX shown very positive rally in Friday market. This means that market volatility is continue to rise every day due to geopolitical tension and fear of war. And if you see the FII data, we can see that on 13 March, FII sold very heavily around 10,000 crore. Okay, so FIIs are selling heavily every day since 27 February. We see every day FIIs are selling very heavily each day, and their selling is increasing also. Okay, so this means that market is in very heavy selling pressure, and around 2500 stocks were closed in negative on the Friday, and only 500 stocks were closed in positive. Okay, so this means the whole market is in weakness. And if you see gold and silver, they are also showing weakness recently. This means that market can show a little bit of positive movement in upcoming session, because gold and silver are also start to fall right now. And crude oil structure is still positive. Crude oil is going up. So commodity movements often influence the market sentiment. Okay, so if the crude oil will come down and gold and silver will also come down, then equity market will go up. So keep an eye on these commodity levels also. Okay, so the market sentiment is currently very volatile and bearish. So keep your quantity small while trading and be very careful while trading. Okay, so the final market view will be high volatility, weak broader market, and banking stocks are very under pressure. So keep this in your mind while trading. Thank you so much, guys, for next trading session.